my beloved Catnatics, it's me again, Cathy, your Ilocana, Ilongga, Bisaya gal. Welcome back to my channel, and for today's video, it's gonna be a special dinner for me and Bebko. Kasi we are going to treat one of our friends here in Las Vegas for her post-birthday celebration, as well as our inaanak's post-birthday celebration din. And at the same time, pang bon voyage na rin namin para sa kanya. So we are on our way to Captain 6. It's an all-you-can-eat Korean BBQ. We've been there a couple of times, and I made a couple of vlogs dun sa lugar na yon. And right now, we are on our way. We're gonna meet them there, and let's have a good time. So stay tuned. Alright guys, so we are here and we're walking towards Captain 6, but our friend, her baby and her hubby's not here yet. So let's check how long the waiting list is gonna be. She said she tried to call to make a reservation, but they don't do that now at this time. So you really have to be here, and your party should be here for you to be seated. Thank you.
You guys want anything to drink to start? Or you guys can wait for them?
Pwede naman tayong kumuha ng drinks ka na. Ay, sa bagay.
We're setting up our ready natin. Went here on a very good time. Saktong-sakto lang yung timing natin. They don't have that much people here. So it was easy for us to come here and easy for them to find a spot for us. There's gonna be 5 of us total, 4 adults, and of course our baby Ethan. So good. We'll just wait for them and then let's start ordering. When was the last time we went here? Oh, for Valentine's Day we were here. And that's when we realized that they changed the whole setup dito. This is not how it looks like before, but now they changed it. And but price-wise, I'm not sure if they already changed the price or it's still the same like the last time we went here. But regardless, it's still a good place to eat. Their food here is not that salty, it's the best. Especially yung mga spicy stuff nila. That's why we keep coming back here.
Start choosing now.
We'll start choosing. So for the soup, we always get the spicy kimchi with pork belly. However, we don't really use the pork belly, diba? So we can just order it without the pork belly.
Regular bowl.
No, I mean the soup. Yung spicy kimchi nila, we're not gonna put pork belly.
Ano ba yung
So,
ano ba yung mga pinili?
spicy tonkotsu,
kasi yung ano.
soybean paste. They only have 3. You only have to choose one. So, they do have a lot of barbecue dito. Lahat lang to raw, so you're gonna have to grill it on your own. And then they also have a lot of appetizers. They have 3 types of soups and side dishes, which they already have. Tsaka a few more desserts. Kaya, ayun. Let's wait for them. Happy birthday! Happy birthday, girl!
Ethan! Happy birthday!
Hi!
No.
ka na.
Ready ka na, madam.
Umimot tayo, kakain tayo.
Oo.
Oh,
Nag-usap ba kayo? Yeah, Coke Zero. Yeah. Let's do hot. Yeah. Oh, may hati rin mo.
Isa na pinag-shoppingan natin.
So, our visitors are here.
Hi! Ninang Happy.
Guys, may na lang sa
Hindi kita makita. Hindi ka makita dyan.
Ano ito naka-vlog? Kaya na ba kami live? Ano masasabi? Mainit sa Vegas.
Naka-uniform tayo.
Oo, same.
So the whole gang is here. And
48 hours na alimot ako ngayon.
Ethan. And that's our godchild together. And my godson. So we're here for yeah. My hair. Having 1 year already. Oh, have it. Yeah. And so we're waiting for the rest of the food. We're gonna have a good time. We're gonna get full. We all didn't eat all day today, so yeah.
Oh, just one day? I haven't eaten in 2 days.
Yeah, so we miss each other. And ayun. Let's wait for the food.
Nasa harap.
Oh, wow. honors right there. Na natin. Sabi ha? Ang packaging.
Ibon. Kasi dinidevelop nila doon eh.
Yes.
Oh, that's the light color.
Yes.
Kaya, kaya nga, ay, sabi ko huwag siyang mag-dark, hindi maganda.
Gusto niya ng
O,
light.
tingnan mo si Bon, ganyan. Oh.
Ganyan ang gusto niya. Pero I don't think sa skin color ko.
Pwede.
I don't think lighter color looks good. I look pale.
Pwede,
Yeah, that's
depende
why I
lang
always
yun
do
sa
that
ano.
Sa may complexion.
Akala mo lang yun.
I just eat spicy food.
Everything just turned red. Thank you.
Welcome. I know you like red one. Guys, say hi.
Wala yata sa mood mag-picture ko si Balong ah.
Oo nga.
Boss, lakas niyo kumain ah.
Tako.
Oh.
Handsome now?
Oh?
Yung sa akin hindi bakle. Kasi wala naman akong dudu.
Ito nga mga pakukulong.
Go, go, go. Okay, 1, 2,